Need to do some last-minute shopping? We've got you covered. The Pro Tool Reviews staff pulled together some of our favorite tools and gear that we came across this year to give you some options that we think will be perfect for that special someone. Starting with something for everyone, we've got the Milwaukee Redlithium USB earbuds. These headphones have great sound quality, provide OSHA-certified hearing protection, and include a situational awareness feature that lets you hear what's going on around you without removing your earpiece. The case is powered by a 3 amp hour Redlithium USB battery, and the case charges the earbuds once you insert them. At $179, we definitely recommend these for anyone wanting a lightweight, quality headset for the job site. Next, we've got a gift for the car lover in your life. The Flex 24-volt mid-torque impact wrench can help you kiss the cords and hoses of pneumatic impact tools goodbye. Don't let its relatively compact size fool you. Under the hood, the brushless motor is capable of producing 600 foot-pounds of fastening torque and 750 foot-pounds when breaking nuts. This is one impact wrench that can do almost everything a mechanic could hope for. Find it at Acme Tools for around $269. Another gift that would be an excellent addition to any car guy's trunk or shop is the Greenworks 24-volt cordless car jack. Flat tires are inconvenient no matter when they happen, but that jack that comes with your car, it adds an extra 3 layers of frustration to go with it. Make the job easier by letting the battery take care of the heavy lifting. Greenworks cordless car jack has a 3-ton rating and has a max lift of 17.5 inches. A kit with a 2 amp hour battery and a charger will get you back up and running for $148. A blade's a blade, right? Well, pros know that's not the case. The next item on our wish list is the CMT Orange Tools framing blade. Its thin kerf improves cutting speed and reduces material waste, while laser cut expansion slots reduce vibration and dampen sound. The shear angle grind on the front of the teeth creates a smooth cutting experience, and the high density of the carbide in the teeth ensures a long cutting life. These blades will cost you about $9.97 each, so grab a couple and put them under the tree. Metabo HPT really nailed the complete package with its 18-volt triple hammer bolt impact driver. The triple hammer design and brushless motor offer fast driving performance, while the bolt mode specifically dials in the performance for tightening and loosening nuts and bolts. At the same time, it's a compact, lightweight tool, and with a retail price of just $179 for the 2-battery kit, it's the best value currently available for a professional-grade impact driver. Bessey has a new take on the traditional trigger clamp that's absolutely brilliant. With the EHKL 360 series, the triggers can rotate 360 degrees around the bar into 12 positions, making it super simple to clamp in spaces where you normally would have to compromise on how you engage the jaws. You can even swivel the triggers away to make room for more clamps. These clamps will cost you between $43 and $73 depending on the size you want. The smaller ones make great stocking stuffers. Next up is Hilti's cordless metal cutting circular saw. This cold cutting saw operates at 4,000 RPM and simply melts through metal, making cuts up to 2 3/8 inches deep. While the blade is keeping the cut cool and spark free, the chip collector keeps the mess to a minimum and empties easily when it's full. Wrap in Hilti's excellent ergonomics, and you got one heck of a metal cutting circular saw. You can find it for $310 at Hilti.com. Making straight cuts in sheet goods is always a challenge, so this next tool on our list can get you back on track, literally. Ridgid's Track Saw gave us confident performance with precise results. It has the features pros want, and the price tag makes it an excellent value, especially when you consider Ridgid's lifetime service agreement. The Milwaukee Faucet swap-out wrench is one of those simple but game-changing tools, yes, I said it, that's ideal for plumbers and homeowners alike. The design is sleek, and the handle is long and slim, making it a breeze to reach those tricky mounting hardware spots under the faucets. The handle's also sturdy, so you can count on it for many swap-outs without any trouble. For $30, this gift is a no-brainer for the handyman in your life. The idea of a screwdriver is pretty cut and dry, right? Wrong. We could go on for 30 minutes about Skil's Twist 2.0 cordless screwdriver, but we'll just give you the footnotes. This is one of the handiest tools that you can add to your toolbox for a wide range of light-duty screwdriving jobs. Skil's attractively low price tag makes this a low-risk purchase and a perfect stocking stuffer. Why buy a dedicated pipe cutter if you can save some money with an attachment for a tool you already have? Dewalt's PVC and PEX pipe cutter attachment fits on the impact driver that you already own. Tackling up to 2-inch Schedule 80 PVC, you simply line up the cut, pull the trigger on your impact driver, and let the tool do the hard work for you. Grab it for $119 at Acme Tools. Oh, and if you want a model that works on copper pipe, well, they've got that too. Mowing season's right around the corner, and every good mower needs a great trimmer. Give the gift of lower frustration this year with Ego's 56-volt Line IQ string trimmer. What's unusual and awesome about this tool is that it automatically feeds line to maintain a consistent 16-inch cutting swath. When the line eventually runs out, Ego's super easy power load feature eliminates the headaches of reloading. Simply run the line to the center, push the power load button, and watch it automatically load the spool. You get all that, plus premium performance and low vibration. Pick up the kit for $329. When you're done trimming, you're going to want to blow the debris off your driveway and sidewalks, and that's where Ryobi quietly enters the picture. With the 730 CFM Whisper Series leaf blower, Ryobi combined outstanding performance with an amazingly quiet tool. Pushing just under 22 newtons in our testing, way beyond what you get from gas handheld models, it produced just 76 decibels in turbo mode. The blower is so quiet, your neighbors won't care if it's 4 a.m. on a Saturday morning when you're using it. Pick up this groundbreaking blower for your loved one for $329. Now for the fun stuff. The Milo Action Communicator reimagines what two-way communication can be. Instead of relying on radio channels, groups of communicators create a mesh network among themselves, resulting in a completely secure communication system that others can't listen into. Each unit also acts as a repeater, extending your range beyond the base 2,000 feet. Better yet, they're waterproof, have a strong magnetic attachment point that won't detach easily, and they're completely hands-free. There's no button to push. At $250 a piece, it's a bit pricey to put together an entire system, but if you're the type of family that goes skiing, hiking, or enjoys long mountain biking trails, it's entirely worth it. How many times have you been on the job or on the trail and thought, if I could only get a good cup of coffee? With the Vessel Nest, your next brew is wherever you are. The Nest Kit lets you carry along everything you need to make a pour-over coffee, aside from the hot water. There's a holder for your coffee beans or grounds, a pour-over kit, filter, and the cup. The best part is it all nests together for a coffee-making kit that's easy to carry. If you use trail cameras or automatic feeders, you know the pain of trying to maintain power deep in the field. With Moultrie's universal solar power packs, the chore is a lot less painful. Available in 3.4 or 10-watt configurations and priced between $100 and $130, the built-in power bank supplies consistent power and recharging via a solar panel. Don't worry about the weather either. These are built for the outdoors with an IP65 rating and automotive-grade cable sheathing. Magellan Outdoors absolutely nails the value proposition on their Pro Explorer 75-liter cooler. A large capacity and high ice retention start things off before the lid takes off in a completely new direction. Latches on both sides means that you can open it from either side or even completely remove it. Plus, the integrated bottle opener, divider, and top pad all come standard, which is part of what makes this a great Christmas gift for any outdoorsman. The Brunt Distasio boot is a logger style with a composite safety toe that offers the traction and stability that you'll need on uneven and unstable ground. The story behind the name is all about excavation, and you'll find the Distasio excels when climbing and navigating rough terrain. Grab a pair for $179. Gerber's Made in the USA Assert features an S30V clip point plain edge blade that offers far better performance than value blends. Its glass-filled nylon handle features a honeycomb structural pattern, letting it achieve a crazy low carry weight of just 1.9 ounces. The thumb stud pivot lock combination sets this tool apart from the typical frame or liner lock models. But what makes the Assert completely unique to you is that it's part of Gerber's customization program that offers a ton of great ways to get the look that you want. You may be familiar with the brand Tecovas from their high-quality boots, but we decided to go a different route with what we put in our gift guide this year. We're hooked on the goat leather Billfold. Handcrafted from real goat leather, this classic style has the space you need to carry your cash and cards. Plus, the leather patinas quickly thanks to its natural oils and soft hide, helping it age gracefully while working hard, just like the Western integrity that inspires it. And finally, rounding out our gift guide is something that anyone over 21 can indulge in, and that's a nice bottle of whiskey. This year we'll be sipping on a nice bourbon from Breckenridge Distillery. It's an absolute rock star in an old-fashioned, where the whiskey outshines the bitters and sugar with notes of butterscotch, candied orange, and apple on the way down. Well, there you have it, our top gift recommendations for the 2023 holiday season. We want to know what you'll be picking up for your friends and family, so let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel. And as always, thanks for watching Pro Tool Reviews, and Merry Christmas.